Hey y'all, Joe from QuadLock here, and today I'm going to show you these handlebar clamp mounts and how to install them using this Triumph T100. The handlebar clamp mount is a great option if you don't have a lot of space on your bars, or, in our case, want to keep the installation as sleek as possible. You've got two choices, the handlebar clamp mount featuring our signature blue lever, or the handlebar clamp mount Pro, which is made from CNC machined aluminum and features a black lever and black hardware. Functionality-wise, these both work exactly the same way, so you can have the best choice to suit your motorcycle's needs. The mounts are essentially made of three parts: the base, the body, and the head. If we start with the base, you'll notice an M8 thread and two included spacers that are optional depending on the clearance you need. You'll also notice this little guy. This cap allows us to mount the base to the body of the mount. To get started, we have to remove one of our handlebar clamp mount bolts, but before we do, we want to make sure we pick the right one so our phone's in the best position. On our T100, these bolts come out with a 6mm Allen wrench, but your bike might be slightly different. Just make sure to double check before you go to remove them. Once we've removed the original bolt, we'll slide in our M8 base and tighten using a 13mm socket. Once we've got the M8 bolt tight, we're going to set this cap on top that will help us integrate with the body of the mount. Now, to install the body, all we're going to do is line up the teeth on the bottom here to the appropriate angle we want, and then attach it using the included 3mm Allen key. We highly recommend using the vibration dampener in motorcycle applications, so this is the perfect time to install yours. Next, we're going to install our locking lever head using the included screw and Allen key. If you're putting this on and you realize the angle is not exactly where you need it, don't worry about it. We have an adjustment screw we can use and set it perfectly once we get our phone on the mount. Once we've ensured everything is tight, we're going to check the angle of our phone, obviously using a QuadLock mag case or a universal adapter. Now, this angle, while great for filming and showing you guys how to install this, is actually terrible for my riding position. So all I'm going to do is take my Allen key, loosen up this screw, and then change the angle of my phone to something a little bit more appropriate. This one's important, y'all. Before you go on any ride, always do a safety check and rotate your bars from lock to lock to make sure there's no interference with the mount, your phone, or the motorcycle. Well, there you have it, the handlebar mount clamp and the handlebar mount clamp Pro. If you have any questions about the installation, put them down in the comments, and as always, enjoy the ride.